Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to recover deleted posts in Instagram. Let's dive right in. Open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top right corner, you'll find three horizontal lines. Tap on them to access the Account Settings menu. Scroll down to find the Your Activity section and tap on it. This section contains various options related to your Instagram activity, including downloaded data. From these options, tap on Your Activity. Then, scroll down to the Removed and Archived Content section. Next, tap on the Recently Deleted option. In this section, you'll find all your deleted posts, stories, and reels from the past 30 days. You can then choose to restore them back to your profile. Note, if your deleted posts are older than 30 days, this method won't work. To recover a post, simply tap on the desired post. Next, tap on the three lines at the bottom right of the post. From the options, choose Restore, and that's it. By using this method, you can restore deleted posts on Instagram. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.